4 fishermen have been rescued by the Mexican Navy after drifting at sea for a month. The 2 Colombians and 2 Ecuadorians set off on a fishing expedition from Ecuador on September the 24th. They told Mexican authorities they got lost at high sea, but their situation became dire when their boat ran out of fuel on October the 1st. Since then, they had been drifting northward until a Mexican military plane making routine nighttime patrols spotted them 162 miles southeast of Puerto Chiapas. They were then taken aboard the Armada ship, where they received medical attention for dehydration. Upon arrival at the port, the relieved men were welcomed ashore before being handed to Mexican migration authorities.